In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove text from an image in Canva. If you've ever imported a photo or a screenshot and realized the text on it is in the way, this quick method will help you pull that text out so you can work with a cleaner image and keep the words separately. Start by opening your project in Canva and clicking on the specific image you want to work with. Make sure the image is selected so the top toolbar updates with the right options. At the top, click Edit. You'll see a panel open with creative tools. Look for the Magic Studio section. If you don't see the exact tool immediately, click the small arrow to the right of Magic Studio to browse more options. From there, choose Grab Text. This feature is designed to detect and lift text that's embedded in your image, so you don't have to retype anything from scratch. Once Grab Text is open, you have two ways to proceed. You can drag to select just the area that contains the text you want to remove from the image, or you can choose the All Text option to capture everything the tool detects. If the text is scattered or the font is decorative, All Text can be a time saver. If you only want a specific caption or label, a precise selection works best. A quick tip for accuracy: zoom in before you make your selection. The closer view helps you outline only the text you care about and avoid pulling in nearby graphics or textures. If your image has complex backgrounds, try tightening the selection area so the tool focuses on the characters themselves. High contrast text, dark letters on a light background, or vice versa, usually gives the cleanest results. When you're happy with your selection, click Grab. Canva will analyze the image and extract the words it finds. In just a moment, you'll have that text separated from the picture, ready for you to reference, reuse, or keep as editable content. This approach preserves the visual integrity of your original design, while removing the need to manually recreate what was written on the image. If a character or line gets missed, simply run. Grab text again with a slightly adjusted selection. And if you don't see Magic Studio at first, double-check that you clicked Edit while the image is selected. A stable internet connection will also help the tool process quickly. That's all there is to it. Open your project, select the image, click Edit, head into Magic Studio, choose Grab Text, select the text or pick All Text, and click Grab. You've effectively removed the text from the image and captured it for easy editing.